Today we'll discuss today we'll discuss how to find the square root of a surd by shortcut method. I have shown you the long method. Now we'll go for the shortcut method. For shortcut method, see here how to do. What are the factors of 6? 1 and 6, 2 and 3. Anything else? No. Now add the factor. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 2 plus 3 is 5. If you write 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5 here. Here we have 5. So first you have to write the biggest number. Biggest number is root 3. X is 3 and small number is 2. So we have to take 2. Similarly, suppose the same problem is given. You see same 5 minus a. So first you have to write the root 3, then minus root. That is the answer. Now see the again one more problem. Factors of 12. 2 into 6. 2 plus 6 we are getting 8. And 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. But here if you add you are getting 7. So if you add them you are getting 7. So answer will be plus or minus. First number is the biggest number. So root 4 plus root 3. So but we know what is the positive square root of 4 is 2. So 2 plus root 3 positive. Plus suppose the same problem is there with minus n. So you have to write 2 minus root 3 will be the answer. Suppose here again one more problem we'll discuss of same type. 14 is 7 2s are 14. 7 plus 2 is 9. So plus or minus root 7 plus root 2. Root 7 plus root. Similarly, suppose here 7 5s are 35. 7 plus 5 is 12. So plus or minus square root of 7 plus root 5. Can we simplify? No. You see 40 is there. And one more thing here. Always there should be 2. Here is 2 is here. 2. Here is 2. Here is 2. Then only we are able to write. But here is the no 2. So you have to make it 2. So how we are doing? 4 into 10. Can I write 4 into 10? 40? Yes. So this will become, this your problem will become 7 plus 4. If you take outside, it will be 2. 7 plus 2 root 10. What is the factors of 10? 2 and 5, 1 and 10. But we don't need 1 and 10. 1 plus 10 is 11. We want 7. So 2 plus 7, 2 plus 5 is 7. So answer is plus or minus root 5 plus root. Okay. Next. Suppose this type of the problem is square root of root 27 plus root 24. This type of the problem, first bring it into the standard form. How to bring? 9 into 3 is 27 plus 3 into 8 is 27. So here you have root 3 common. If you take root 3 common, you have root 9 plus root 8. You see this is root means 3 to the power of half. Again I want to write it outside of the root. This root, the bigger root. So it will be 3 to the power of 1 by 4. Square root of 9 is 3 plus square root of 8. Square root of 8 we don't know. So we are writing 4 into 2. So 3 to the power of 1 by 4 square root of 3 plus 2 root. Now in the standard form, you see 2 should be there here. So what is factors of 2? 2 into 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So answer is 3 to the power of 1 by 4. First the bigger number root 2. Answer is in plus. So 2 root 2 plus 1 is our answer. Similarly, if this is minus, we will write minus. Here also the same thing. He is not in the standard form. So reduce to the standard form first. Then only we can apply the short trick. So root 5. If 5 into root 5 plus 2 into 6 5 is the 30. So what can I do? I can take root 5 common from here. So only 5 is left. From here, if I take root 5 common, we are left with 2 plus root 6. Now 5 to the power of half, this half will be, if you take outside, it will become 5 to the power of 1 by 4, the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. Now see the factors of 6. 1 into 6, 2 into 3. Now you have to add and see. 6 plus 1 is 7. I don't want. 2 plus 3 is 5. I need this. Since 2 plus 3 is 5, we are writing. So 5 to the power of 1 by 4 into, first you have to write the bigger number. Bigger number is root 3 plus root. Okay. Now we'll go to the next one. You see this type of the problem. Root 15 plus 2 root 15. We have done in long method. We have to suppose root x, root y, root. Now you have to see the factors. You see I am taking 3 into 5. 15. Now 5 into 7. Now I am writing 7 into 3. You see. See here. 5. Second factor equal to first factor. Second factor is equal to first factor. First factor equal to last factor. So answer is plus or minus. So what is the number 1? Number 1 is 3. First number is 3. So root 3. The second number is root 5. Third number is root 7. Okay. Next this number. This number you see 2 into 5. 5 into 2. Oh. Order is very important, class. Order is very important. That's why. So this one, this number 3 into 5, 5 into 2, 10, 2 into 3. You see, this same, this same, this same. So answer is plus or minus root x. What is root x? The first number. So it is 3. The second number, this is your second number, root 5 plus root 2. This is your answer. Now here also see here, everything is plus. So what is 6? 2 times 3 is 6. This is 3 is 3 times 1 is 3. What is the factor of 2? 2. So factor of 6 is 2 and 3. You see, second number first, second factor. Write in this order. Why we are writing this is, it doesn't matter. 2 times 3 is same as 3 times 2. But here, to get in the square root in the shortest form, so is this, what is the first number? 2. What is the second number? 3. So root 3. What is the third number? 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Now here, see here. What is a factor? 2 into 3, 3 into 1, 1 into 2. So here also the same question. I have written the same question. But signs change. Which signs change? So now answer will be plus or minus. See here. Which number is repeated? You see 2 into 3. Here 3 is there. Minus, here 3 is there, minus. So minus will be the 3 here. Root 2 minus root 3 plus 1. Now here, which number? 2 is here negative. So 2 is here negative. So negative will be the 2. Negative root 2 plus root 3 plus 1. What about this thing? 6 plus 2 root 6 minus 2 root this thing. Which number is negative? You see 1. Here 1 is repeated. When 1 is repeated, before that the negative sign is there. So root 2 plus root 3 minus 1. So one more time, let me repeat what we have done. Just summing it up. See here. 5 plus 2 root 6. We used to suppose root x plus root y. You see, if you find the factors of 6, 6 into 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. And another factor is 2 into 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So here 5 is there. So we want 5. So plus or minus root x plus root y. So x is the biggest number first. What is the biggest number? 3. Root 3 plus root 2. Similarly, the same problem is with minus sign. We are writing minus c here. Here minus is there. Minus. Now 12 is there. And one more thing, class, you have to remember that it should be before 2 when you are applying that. If it is not there, we will make it 2. Here we have done this. So 12 is 4 into 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. So square root is 4. Square root of 4 plus 3. Square root of 4 is 2, we know. So 2 plus 3. If it is minus is there, here will be minus. The same problem we have discussed here, but here 7 plus square root of 40 is there. We can't, it doesn't fit in the standard form. So what we are doing, we are writing 40 equal to 4 into 10. 4 can become outside as 2. So 7 plus 2 root 10. Now factor of 10. 2 and 5, 10. 1 into 10, 10. So 2 into 5, factor of 10. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So first bigger number, then the smaller number. We got this. Now suppose here is also the root, here is also the root. So first take the common part. 9 times 3, this thing. Root 3 is common, so we have taken common. So 3 to the power of half, this half, 1 by 4. It came as 1 by 4. Now square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 8 is 4 times 2, 2 root 2. Again it is in the standard form. We got it. Here also the same problem. 5 root 5 plus 2 root 30. 5 root 5 plus 2 root. So here if we take root 5 common, again it will come in the same way how we have done here. Now 5 plus 2 root 6. Factors of 6. 6 into 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Factor of 6 is 2 into 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we are taking this 5 is here 5. So bigger one is smaller one. That is the answer. Now this is for 2. Suppose if there are 3 are there, 3 numbers, this one. We have done in long way. I have shown you. Last video, if you want, you can see the long method. So this thing. Here one small trick is there. Trick or adjustment, whatever you want to say. 5 times 3. 3 5s are 15. You can write 5 times 3 also. But the second factor should be repeated. You see, they are repeated. Now the corners are same. This way you have to write. If you write this way, x, y, z will be automatically, directly it will come to us. So what is the first number? 3. Second number is 5. Third number is 7. So that's it. Similarly, this one. You see, we got the same. But here I have taken this problem all plus. You see, answer is plus. If suppose 2 roots are minus, which number is repeated? That number you have to write minus. You see here 3 is repeated. Here you see here. Which number is repeated? 2. You see. Whenever 2 is repeated, here is the minus. So we are writing minus here. Similarly like this. That's the thing. That's it, class. That's it, class. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.